Hi, my name is Kate and welcome to my Emaze tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create and access your own Emaze presentations. So if you go to www.emaze.com and create an account using your email, it will take you to this My Emazes tab where your Emazes are stored. So Emaze works sort of like Google Drive or Google Slides, where you can create a presentation online. It'll store it on the web, and you can also share your Emazes, and you can access those shared Emazes under this tab. So the Home and the Explore, tabs are similar in that they're both for inspiration, I would say. The Explore tab has Emazes that people have been working on and have shared publicly. Also note that if you have a free account, which I do, all of your Emazes are public. You don't even have the option to keep them private. And here on the home Emaze page, this is, I suppose, like Emaze news. So if you wanted to create your own Emaze presentation, you could upload a PowerPoint that's been created on another platform that you wanted to add Emaze effects to. Or you could create your own new Emaze, and I'm going to choose to create a presentation, but you could also create a website, blog, or e-card. Once you choose what you're going to create, it'll take you to this choose a template place where you're presented with a whole lot of different templates. I'm in education, so I'm going to scroll down to the education templates, and I'll choose one that works for me. These templates are different themed in the sense that they appear aesthetically different, but they're also different just for straight content. So some of these templates are going to be more for science lessons, and some are going to be more for art or biographies or stories or things like that. So really, you have to look through all of these templates or some of these templates and see which templates have slides that work for you, because not all of these templates have the same slides. Some of them have completely different slides than others. So for example, I will give you an example. I'm going to go to an Emaze that I have been working on. I'm going to view. So this is a presentation that I spent a few minutes on today. And so this slide, for example, today we will discuss, so this table of contents slide, this is not a slide that's on every Emaze presentation. This was on this particular formatted slide, and but these slides, they look really good. I didn't spend as much time on them as it might appear that I did, because I didn't actually add these graphics or these background artistic pieces. I didn't design this chart, for example. I just deleted the filler text and put in my own text. So that's the kind of cool thing about Emaze, is it creates pre-formatted slides for people to use, so you can actually use your own. You can actually choose from a variety of pre-created slides to create a really professional looking PowerPoint. Okay, so if I wanted to add a new slide, I might go to, for example, this is a slide that I just uploaded from the format. So if you didn't see that, I just went to add, and I clicked this thinking map slide, or I could have clicked any other one of these, and now I literally just have to delete whatever I want and fill it in. So I'm just going to type this, I'm just going to type me or something, and you can create different effects with with these. These are all really straightforward. I'm not going to spend any time going through them. Change the font size, just have make it more opaque or transparent. Or there's 3D effects where you can make it. You can choose the axis for which you can make the whatever you want twist. You can add images. You can search the web for whatever you want and plug that on in. Make that a little more transparent. Anyway, this is actually really user friendly. You don't need to spend I don't need to spend too much time going through and teaching you how to use it, because I think that just by nature of clicking around you'll be able to figure it out. But yeah, I would say it's pretty straightforward. And so once you're done with your presentation, you can do a few things. You can share it with someone else on Emaze. You can download the presentation or copy it. If you wanted to, note that you do have to save your Emaze presentation, so I'll just save that right now. You can tell if it's saved by whether or not it has this little check on it. Delete my presentation, I could copy it, and I actually think, I don't remember quite what this is, but it might actually be, it's maybe the translate button. So if I went and I highlighted maybe, if I highlighted this and I clicked this guy, no, never mind, that's not the translate button. But I am out of time, so yes. So anyway, thank you for coming to this presentation or sitting through this presentation. Have fun creating your Emaze presentations.